Leaking water from the faucet base dripping into your cabinet is more common than you think, but you can totally fix it without calling a plumber right away. So, first off, grab a wrench and check those faucet mounting nuts under the sink. Sometimes they just get loose over time from regular use or installing the faucet, and tightening them up can stop that annoying drip. Make sure you turn off the water supply before you start messing with anything under there, so you don't get soaked. If tightening doesn't cut it, inspect the faucet's O-ring or gasket because those little rubber pieces wear out and cause leaks too. Replacing a worn gasket is usually cheap and pretty straightforward. Also, if your faucet is old, mineral buildup might be messing with the seal, so clean around the base with vinegar or a descaling solution before reassembling. When you're tightening the nuts, don't go crazy tightening them. Just snug enough to stop movement and leaks. And finally, keep an eye on it for a few days after fixing it to make sure the drip really stopped. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with leaking water from the faucet base dripping into the cabinet is ignoring the problem until it gets worse, which can cause water damage and mold growth. To fix that, act fast as soon as you notice the drip. Another common issue is over-tightening those mounting nuts, which can crack the sink or damage parts, so always tighten gently but firmly. Lastly, not checking or replacing worn-out washers or O-rings causes leaks to come back quickly. Make sure to swap those parts if tightening doesn't stop the drip. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and get the job done right without headaches. For contractors, it's a great way to connect with clients looking for reliable pros and build their business with real work opportunities.